Okay, so we're at Cave Hill Country Park, and yeah, it's going to be a fun walk today. We got walking paths, we got livestock, eco trail, we got a picnic area, woodland area. Looks like we got covered a lot. These are some stairs. This is a fun walk because there's so many different challenges around it. It's nice to be able to walk up, down, you never know where you're going to go. So far, so good, except for we had a wee bit of a sign that says that the path was closed, and that was possible due to landslide. So it doesn't sound too good as of yet, but so far, it's a nice path. It's a little bit slippy, but that's because it's been wet. So if you go on here, it's another day for the boots. Wow, this is some path. We got some fun things to climb through here. Quite a lot of fallen down trees. Oh, somebody needs to come with a chainsaw or something. If you're going here, could be a good idea to have a stick, a walking stick. Absolutely beautiful place to be. So much to see. So it's a fun walk. This is definitely off-roading. Still good though. This is such a path. It's very mucky. I'm of the mindset that, you know, anything really important today, it's good to do on camera, because at least you'll be able to look back later and say, hey, this is what you've done. Remember I said anything's good on camera? Well, hey, this walk is something else, because look, we got a wee river to cross, and waterproof boots definitely advised. Definitely view. This hill has been walked on once or twice. Hey, look at this path. It's so slippy. Really like to know what would make these videos better, but you know, seeing everything I'm seeing, something else. It's nice to be able to make them. And we've got another water crossing. It looks so mysterious up here. We got all the fog and everything. Just a bit of fog here. Some hill. And it keeps on going up. Definitely not seeing much up here today. I usually say this sort of places are picturesque, but definitely not going to see much today. I'm walking this hill, and I feel like there should be some safety here. There's none whatsoever. It's not great looking. Back there they had the safety fence. Here, there's nothing. Definitely not seeing much today. Definitely not. So there is Napoleon's Nose. Can you see it? This place looks like epic, especially in the fog. I know I can't really see much, but still nice. Sort of wonder where that goes. At the top of the hill. Woo! All good. A little bit windy, but what can you expect? It's nice though. Supposed to be able to see down here, but not today. Just imagine it this way. There's a nice Belfast lock here. The city is over here, and yeah, you're seeing some nice blue skies. Okay, maybe not today. So I think it's time to make the way down. We're not going to go down this way. This place is completely different now that you can't actually see anything. It's a different vibe altogether. So one thing I like about making these videos is I get some time to, learn my editing software and things like that and see, hey, this is what this does. And it's nice. I also like being able to take out this camera. So, what is it that makes a nice video? What makes it a video that, somebody would actually keep on going and watching? I mean, yeah, it's really nice to be able to get out for me. But why have you clicked on this video? I haven't actually taken this path before. It's actually really nice. I'm seeing a whole different side of the walk that I haven't seen before. So, what do we do with this sort of muck? If I'm going to be going on my bum, I'm going to have to go through it. Oh, my feet really stuck into the muck there. I've never seen this side of the hill before. Lovely, actually. This hill is so picturesque. No, I didn't think I was going to say that today, especially with the way the fog was. It really is. Where would you get a walk like this? So much of the forest I haven't actually seen. Generally I go straight up and straight back down again. It's all very nicely designed here. These steps are nice. Would be treacherous if it was icy, but thankfully that's not today. The more I go out of these sorts of places, the better I'll become at walking. It's going to be good. Generally I go out walking like once a week or something like that. But, it's nice to be able to get out at least. It's been a walk so far. Right, we're beside Belfast Castle. Okay, so that was Cave Hill Country Park. Such a lovely park. And yeah, it's great to see it from a different angle. Anyways, hope you have a great day and I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.